disturbed in the house, we're dropping the plates. You said it couldn't be done, told me that it's the kind of battle that just couldn't be won. You know, you're too sick, too hard, too fucked in the head. You'll never make it, no, not in this lifetime. Well, guess again, my friend, don't act surprised, we got the bass drum kick that will blow out your eyes, huh? Just when you hear this shit, you'll get to step in, gonna fight the war and use my music as a weapon. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Another god.